In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Squarespace, making the most of its intuitive features to elevate your online store. We're going to dive into this step by step, so whether you're a seasoned website owner or someone just starting out, you'll find this process clear and manageable. Begin by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you'll manage all aspects of your site. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now, look for the search option. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the search bar, type in Product. This is a quick way to access all the product management tools that Squarespace offers. As your search results appear, select Products. You're looking for the section dedicated to managing the items you want to showcase and sell. Clicking here will open up a new area where you can add new products or adjust existing ones to better meet your sales goals. Next, you'll want to initiate the process of adding your new digital product. To do this, click on ADD Product. With Squarespace, adding a product is designed to be straightforward, even if it's your first time navigating these waters. Once you're in, choose Download from the options available. This choice is specific to digital products, like ebooks, audio files, or any downloadable content you wish to offer. You'll then want to type in the name of your product. Make sure it's something descriptive and catchy, as this is one of the first things potential customers will see. Accompany that with a product description. This text should be engaging, providing potential buyers with all the necessary details they need about your product. Remember, clarity and creativity here can significantly impact your sales. After that, fill out any additional forms Squarespace requires. These might include options like categorizations or tags that help with the organizing and marketing of your product. It's essential to be thorough to make sure your product reaches the right audience. Don't forget to add an image or multiple images showcasing your digital product. Visual representations can be very persuasive, particularly when selling online. Make sure your images are high quality and relevant. Following this, set the price of your product. Be strategic with your pricing to appeal to your target market while still reflecting the value of what you're offering. You'll also want to set up your selling tools. This includes payment methods and any other integrations that make the purchasing process seamless for your customers. Squarespace provides multiple options to suit various needs. Finally, ensure all your hard work doesn't go unaided by clicking Save or Publish. Once saved, your product is officially part of your online store, ready for the world to access. With that, you've now successfully added a digital product to your Squarespace site. Give yourself a pat on the back for mastering this significant aspect of online business.